keyword density. Okay, keyword density. So keyword density is nothing but the number of times a particular keyword is repeated within the content. Now guys, which means the number of times, now you have 3000 words. In that 3000 words which you're going to copy, excluding your heading tags, guys, don't consider heading tags. Heading tags are done. Talking about the body copy of the content should be 3000 words. Again, assuming my average word count is 1500 words. So number of times a particular keyword repeated within this content is called as keyword density. Now guys, when we talk about in 2020, so I will highly recommend, or in the future also, most people say keep it 2%, 2.5%, but best practice, guys, keep it 1%. 1% best option. Okay, don't optimize more than that. At max you can go up to 1.5%. Don't exceed more than this, which means for every 100 words you write, make sure you use one keyword. Now this applies for reverse order also. Sir, you were asking me, sir, you can optimize as many keywords as possible. You remember my keyword research class? I told you optimize as many. Now if I want to rank for this many keywords, say the keywords here are 4000, here like 40 keywords are there. It may be more also, I'm not sure. It says 40 keywords here. If I seriously want to rank for 40 keywords, so how many words should I write? Approximately 4000 words. Guys, assuming it's 1%, if it's 1.5, it still comes down. Okay, maybe like 3000 to 3500 should be good enough to optimize these words. So
Yeah,
this is
but
what
one thing, the website that you showed, that Health Life, you remember that blog? It
yeah,
itself was ranking for 6000 keywords. No, how is it
yeah.
possible?
No, they have not optimized they're mainly ranking through internal links.
Okay.
Because they have hundreds of articles written.
Okay.
They build anchor text within pages with different anchor text.
Okay.
And then they try to rank.
Oh, fine.
Their strategies are next level.
Okay.
But if they don't have 4000 words also, they will rank, because there is a very in healthcare space, they are the most trusted source and one of the biggest players in healthline.com, I guess. So for you guys, you should do this formula. Okay, you don't
Suppose I
have to
want
put,
to
no, you
rank.
don't have to write that many words. You don't have to, but you can rank through internal links actually.
Yeah. The thing
And
is, I
one
have a
more
doubt.
thing is, if you see, all of the words are modifiers only.
Yeah.
See, all of the words are same keywords only
Okay.
modifiers. So make sure you use the modifier in that sentence. That's more than sufficient.
Suppose there are 10 keywords that I have to rank and
Optimize.
optimize 10 keywords. So what will be the best suggestion?
Yeah, you should write 1000 words.
1000 words.
Yeah.
Okay. 10 keywords. Okay, fine.
So if you have
if
more
it is
than that, you have to write more, but you cannot, but it should not come down than your average word count.
yeah, okay.
You should not come on this average word count. Double of this only, it should be there, but you can still optimize only those 10 keywords. Other time you can do, I don't recommend stuffing keywords, guys, don't stuff keywords, but write it in a flow, Now say, let me go back to my website. Say I'll go to this page. I'll go to this article. Now I've optimized keyword in here. Now let me see where else I can optimize. I'll click on edit this page. Now I have other keywords in my article. Let me see what other, I think I'm in the same page. So let me see, I have other keywords here. Can you see e-commerce development company in Bangalore? So here, let me check anywhere I can write e-commerce development. Okay. Say here within the content, assume there is a content here in this piece of article where you can add the word e-commerce development. We also provide e-commerce. We also not provide, I think we also design e-commerce websites for local clients in Bangalore. Now you understand e-commerce website, web design in Bangalore. The word is optimized. If you can notice that, now you have to write in a way it doesn't look like stuffed, but the word should be optimized. Now understanding? Now this paragraph is done. Now let me see other keyword. Now like this is where you spend time in going through the content. Okay, top 10 web designing companies in Bangalore. Okay, let me go back to my content. Same thing. I think I'm missing it. Now here I'll go back to the same page. Now let me see anywhere in the paragraph, say within this paragraph. Now I'll say recently. Now assume there is a flow here. Assume that the flow, that sentence what you're going to write should make sense in that paragraph, guys. Okay, you cannot stuff them. Okay, recently we were awarded as the best web. We were awarded as top 10 web development companies, something like this. You don't have to put Bangalore because I've used sufficiently Bangalore, but the core topic is covered. So automatically the paragraph, in the paragraph it will pick up and will start to rank. If you still want to put it, you can put it, guys, nothing wrong. But you got the point. Now this is what I will be doing. Now this is where it takes time. You take the words, you write the 3000 words here or 4000 words, what's your average, and you double it, and then go back and see what words are pending which has not been used, and what, again guys, you have sufficiently used the keywords in your heading tags everywhere. Okay, but here is where you talk about mainly to your customer's point of view. Don't talk about keywords. And then wherever possible, a keyword, if it's possible only you put it, if it's not possible, don't put it. Okay, because you have sufficiently used in everywhere in your titles, URL, description, heading tags, anchor text, alt text, anchor text. You have sufficiently told Google what is this page about. Okay, now this is where you talk to your customers, you talk about what is their problems, what are their solutions you are going to provide to them. So, and then wherever possible, you put the keywords within the paragraphs. Okay, that's how you should be going by. Okay, so this is what I will recommend. Afterwards, once you're done, you just make sure you update it, but guys, don't stuff them. Okay, if you go less than 1% also, absolutely fine. Okay, you don't have to use all the keywords, Google will pick up, but make sure you use the modifiers. Okay, make sure you use the modifiers in that pages. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you. Like for example, in web design services in Bangalore, say for example, we offer best web design services. Okay, not required in Bangalore, but services should be used. Modifier is the word that is done here. Agency is the modifier, is company is the modifier. Okay, because everywhere web design development is pretty common. Okay, so cost is a modifier. Okay, we offer the best afford, we offer at the most affordable price in our location, Bangalore, something like that. Okay, so make sure you use those words, but it should be in a structured format. It should